And here we go. Alright, so I want. Okay, actually, application is almost done, right? I feel like there are like just a ton of features I can add, which like will feed it, but there should be an end at some point, right? And I feel like I'm getting really close to working representation of the app, if I can call it that way. So now, there was something I want to do. Okay, so there is several things I want to change. First of all, like as you can see, I can scroll table vertically, which is like should not happen. I have to address this. Plus, there is a bug if I'm entering edit, and if I don't modify anything, I just can't exit, right? I have to modify something, which is not good. Then there was something else, I don't remember what exactly. Yeah, I also want to create settings for account. Yeah, I guess it's enough for now. Where do I start? Let's start with scrolling issue. Okay, so there are just a lot of divs. This one. Which one do I scroll, actually? Can I, like, highlight it all the time? Oh, I guess I see. Do I? Yeah. So this one is scrollable. Yeah. So we got relative. Flex call. Okay, let's see. View, profile view. Actually, I have to commit changes I have right now. What exactly have I changed here? Oh, I changed habit card probably. Yeah. Okay, I guess it's good enough. Actually quite like it. Profile view. Then... Oh, actually it's habit card, I bet. Where am I? Habit card. Okay, so this is the menu I want to find relative input. Okay, makes sense. Button, move on. Oh, here we go. Relative, flex. And then... Where is flex column? Here we go. Actually, I'm curious why it doesn't, like... Why is it even scrollable, right? So it doesn't fit. But why? Be full. Age full. Still scrollable, I bet. Please try it. This is actually so weird. Okay, what if I'll remove the header of 2025? Where it is actually? This is the main div. Calendar grid. It's probably here. I guess it should be here. Hello, Ennis, hello. Did you solve the cheat? Solve the cheat? What do you mean? That allows people to get into the leaderboard? Oh no, like I can't solve it, right? I can't solve it. Like, so I can like just basically add a lot of habits locked, right? Even if I didn't do them. But the point is, like, what you can do about it, right? You can forbid editing locks, previous locks, because imagine if like person comes to your platform and he already have like paper habit tracker, and he wants just to move it to like digital format. So I guess it's like it's gonna be just a trust game, you know. I'll probably do some filter on followers amount, but still. Can you make a program to check their time or something? Yeah, like I thought about. Like I got a lot of ideas how to solve it. The problem is they are all cheatable. Like you can always just go step user and cheat on them. It's gonna be a bit difficult, a bit more difficult, but it's still cheatable. So like there is an idea to add locks for modifying habits, right? So if user modifies their habit, any other user can check how this habit was modified, right? So if I see another user with full table locked, I can just check, have they did it like day after day, or did they just modified it in one go, right? Which will explain a lot. Like it will make things more transparent. But it's like only half. Here's the problem: only fixes only the half of the problem, because that means user can just like make some script which will automatically lock habits every day. They like don't have to do it once. Oh, you're the first at something. Okay, that one was personal. That one was personal. Okay, the main problem right now, you can see it's scrollable for some reason. It should not be. Like there is absolutely no reason for it to be vertically scrollable. Like horizontally it should be, but not vertically. Where is 2025? Div, width, style, layout, blob, okay. Text. Months, label, text. This is it, I guess. No, it's month, my bad. Calendar grid, so it's not... Wait. Did I offend you? No, you didn't, you little silly boy. Of course you didn't. How would you assume you did? Calendar grid. Oh, it's right here, text here. Delete. Okay, it's no longer scrollable. Oh, it's still scrollable, my bad. Why though? Why though? Okay, that's gonna be painful to debug. And as what do you think, will I be able to finish this project by the end of this month, find the job by the end of the next month, and become a professional chess player by the end of the next month? And become the professional League of Legends player by the next month? No, it's probably... one next was extra, right? Remove one next. Definitely not. Bro, you're not the main character to do all of these like in like six months. No, it's like 3 months, not 6. I'll be able, like, give me just three. 1 for job, 2 for league, and 3 for chess. What I can, like, I have even no idea where do I start, right? So it's scrollable. Why? I got flex string 0. Could it be the reason? It should not be, actually. But x8, yes, it should be that way. Gap 2. I don't center flex, call, flex. Okay. Flex no wrap, flex roll reverse, V full, reflow X scroll. Let's remove non scroll bar for now. Yeah, so for some reason, I don't know why. Why is it like, why? Why? Just like, why? Should I do it H full here? Have I said it? No, I didn't. It doesn't help. Bro, for you 3 monsters, like, you can't even get that good at chess in 3 monsters. Unless you have Magnus potential. Or Indian genes. Why do you think, like, Indians play better? I feel like there's just more Indians in the world, and that's the reason they're, like, more chance that there are gonna be Indians who play chess better. There's a 3-year-old kid, the same elo as me. Bro. I mean, like, chess is not complicated, you know? That's the reason. Like, 3-year-old kid, the same elo as you, because chess is not complicated. It's like basically pattern match, right? That's why, like, chess is like one of the first games which was solved by neural networks, right? Because it's like simple. And because of that, like, all the other problems started become, how do I say it? Started to be, damn, English is so hard. Problems start solving after decades, after inventing neural networks, right? I'm talking about LLMs. A 3-year-old Indian kid has the same elo as me. I mean, not bad. Or maybe higher right now. His first language is chess. Okay, this one was funny. This one was funny. Chess is simple, Elon Musk. Okay. I'm not kidding, he's actually said that. I mean, so what? He said a lot of things. Like, I mean, you should understand that if good people say bad things, doesn't mean that that things becomes good, right? And other way around, if bad people say good things, it doesn't mean like that they become bad. You know? It's like, it doesn't matter who say them. It's like more about reasoning chain, which matters. Elon Musk said, almost nobody beat me at chess. It's so adorable. Did you see the video? No. I saw, what's it called? Path to Exile? Drama, right? It was Path to Exile. Where he was claiming that he has like some insane level account because he just plays the game, but like supposedly he just bought, like, there is another person who plays on his account, which is like so weird. Hikaru was laughing at it. I mean, who would not laugh at that? Let's be honest. I mean, I would assume he says it to make other people laugh. Like, it's like, even for Elon Musk, it's way too weird to say something like that, you know? So, Enes, I need your help. How do I remove this scroll bar? How do I remove this scroll bar? H full. H full. V full. I did everything I could. Like, what's the problem? It is like saying mastering guitar is very simple. It's very simple. So only 6 strings and 7 notes. I mean, that's true. Elon was saying there are just 64 squares. I mean, in some sense he's right. There are like only 64 squares. Like, what's your problem, man? chess the amount of legal positions. 10 to the power of 43 to 10 to the power of 40 or 50. Yeah, man, like it's like 1 and 43 zeros. It's like not a big number, you know? Like I can memorize every single move. I can memorize every single position. It's just like a matter of time. Playing piano is easy. You just press the keys in certain order. I mean, the facts. True and factual. Programming is easy. You just like mix the 26 symbols in particular order, right? Okay, maybe not 26, like 64 or something. I was like 26 because I thought about letters, but then I realized there are not only letters, there is like also numbers, symbols, right? So it's like more like 60 or something. No point learning chess because computers are better. Guess I should stop lifting weights because forklifts are stronger than humans. But who's like, I didn't say that. I mean, there is like some sense to that, but still. Where am I? I lost everything. Yep, here we go. Okay, I guess I have this urge to like do no scroll. How it was? No scroll bar. And then just make overflow Y. None? Or how's it called? Probably none. Them scrollable. No, Elon Musk said. Actually, there is no point in learning math. We already have calculators. I mean, to some degree, yes. Like, it depends. Like, there is no... I mean, actually, that's a question that every person should ask by themselves, right? There is no, like, singular true. But personally, I detect that the further we go into the future, there is, like, the less sense to be proficient in a narrow topics, right? There is, like, just... You're much more beneficial from being, like, jack of all trades and, like... a master in one field. Yeah, tailwind. Overflow. Hidden. Hidden. Clear. Oh, it's probably hidden actually. Give me a moment. Okay, it's not scrollable anymore, but does it fit properly? It actually fits properly. Okay, let's leave it that way. Let's leave it that way. By the way, if you don't mind doing it, can you watch the short after the stream? It's so funny. Can I watch it right now? It's like something illegal there. I mean, it's YouTube short, so it probably should be fine. Can I? Won't I be banned? Ennis, can I trust you? No, it's still Mas talking about chess.
I find chess is like it's a simple game, frankly, in my opinion. There's a strategy called Polytopia.
Wait it.
It's a simple game, frankly, in my opinion. There's a strategy game called Polytopia, which you can get on your phone, which I think is probably the best strategy game.
Polytopia?
Which you can get on your
Actually, like, let's be honest. He's not wrong, right? Like, chess is a simple game. It's like... The playing chess is not simple, right? Plus... Like, if we just... Okay, this game looks a little bit weird. If we take... Like, if we compare... If we take other games, like Go, for instance, right? They're just on another level of complexity. So if we... It, like, depends what you compare it to, right? Like... I mean, in some sense, chess is simple, right? You, like... person who never play chess can learn how to play chess in like 20 minutes. It's like to become proficient in that card,
phone.
which is hard.
There's a strategy game called Polytopia, which you can get on your phone, which I think is probably the best strategy game.
Download it now.
Polytopia.
You think chess is simple?
Yeah. Just
Well, I mean,
simple game.
okay, but-
I mean, you only have 64 squares. There's no fog of war. There's no tech tree.
So you're raw as fuck as chess. Right?
Well, are you undefeated?
What does it mean, you raw? Like you are good in chess? Who the fuck says it that way? Is it like a slang? You are raw in something. Meaning? When someone says you're raw in something, in general it means you are inexperienced. Oh yeah. Unrefined. Okay, that makes more sense. Actually, like, yeah, that even matches the word, actually, yeah. I don't know why, like, I saw it the other way around.
Chess. Right?
Well, are you undefeated in chess is the real question.
Actually, like, that's such a, like, genius move. Never play chess and becomes the most undefeated player. Oh, you're not gonna be a player, my bad. I lost everything. Watch it whenever you want. Polytopia, it is easy to learn it is hard to get good at it. Yeah, that's the point. Like, this still makes chess a simple game, right? Like, the basement is simple, it's like playing it is hard.
I was pretty good at chess as a kid.
Have you been beat?
Yeah, I did. I still like I won every game.
Like, it's such, I don't know, like, just like, how to put it in the right words. It's like, in such simple rules and not just like huge complexity. That's the thing. It's like at the same time simple and difficult and complex. It's better say.
But I was pretty good at chess as a kid.
Have you been beat?
Yeah, I did. I still like I won every game. But you know, I guess I came to the conclusion that like
He seems to be serious. Actually, that's kind of hilarious. He says it like so seriously.
you know, I guess I came to the conclusion that like computers are going to get better than humans. I didn't want to spend like a massive amount of effort just understanding a zillion sort of knight bishop combinations
For sure.
2 pawns and game bullshit.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
I'm curious now.
I am gonna cringe at that just a little bit for a couple of reasons. Anybody who says they never lost in chess, first of all, like there's something going on. A lot of that is just pretty funny to hear.
I find chess is like it's a simple game, frankly, in my opinion. There's a strategy game called Polytopia.
Yeah, saying you never lost is like, it's so hilarious. It's so hilarious. Comments are so funny.
I find chess is like.
To be honest, chess is very easy. The difficult part is to be good at chess. That's like where you took it, right? Also, how does Elon have a confidence of a grandmaster? I mean, Elon has like a huge ego, so no wonder. Elon about to pay a Chinese guy to get him into. It's like. It's like about like. Okay. It's like, how do I say? It's the same scene like that happened with Past Exile. There is no fog of war, no tech to Elon. Elon Musk talking about Polytopia caught me off guard, not gonna lie. Chess is a game with a very low bar for entry and very high for mastery, yeah. That's why it's so beautiful, yeah, that's true. Anyone can play it, no one can master it, yeah, that's true. It's like, I believe like these rules, like when it's easy to learn how to skill, it's like the most engaging rules in every aspect of life, right? It's not even gaming, like everything you do in life, these are the most like crucial rules for engaging. I don't know how to say it. Elon is about to go pay to win. Just as a keyboard definitely needs a tech trick. Nah, bro, little did he know that the regular Grandmaster has lost things for matches than he had ever played in his life. As a, what's your Elo rating, Elon? It's written in my name. Okay. 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 Enough. Okay, so I guess I can consider this one fixed, right? It's like I can no longer scroll it vertically. So it's good enough. I didn't understand the joke when I looked at it. It's the fact that Elo is his name. Like there is no Elo, right? Like Elo N, you know, like none. I mean, that's like what I assumed. What was the next thing I wanted to change? And this was you at the start of the stream? I was talking what I'm gonna change next. Can you like rewind? Yeah, I got it after thinking about it. Such a classical situation, yeah? And it's okay, not gonna be harsh on you. Bro, he was talking so confident, he convinced me. I mean, like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm kinda impressed. Like, all the things that Elon achieved in his life is like really like fascinating, right? Like, there are not a lot of people who are able to do something like that. But which is even more fascinating is like his character, even though he's like so successful. I don't know how to say it. Like, he's so socially awkward, which like makes it so weird how he was able to do that. Would you love to watch, but Cologne is destroying my life? Hello, Farid, that's an interesting way to start the conversation. Could you please elaborate on what does it mean? Would love to watch, but Cologne? CS event, oh. Bonjour, Farid, bonjour. City in Germany, okay. Okay. Is it like some tournament happening every day right now? Some like major? Actually, like, who cares if I can just watch both? Like, who needs CS if I can watch League of Legends? 110! It's like, I don't know why, like, every time I visit Bao's stream, he always like 110, always. 117. Damn, guys, trust me, like, the moment I'll decide to become the professional player at chess, it's gonna, like I'm gonna be literally Bao's Sweetu. Like, okay, let's get back. Cologne. Oh, it's here. 194. Where is it? Oh. ESLCS. Team Falcons. The Mongols. I have no idea what this team is. Who are they? I know Falcons. Like, I heard about them, but
have you had any practice against Falcons with this lineup?
Elon refuted chess. Yeah, CS event. Miraba Enes? Miraba? ESL Miraba?
Any thoughts on Kiyosuke and what you've seen from him so far?
Hello, Turkish. Wow. Another player currently playing is top 4000th world in chess. Please, how do you know that?
Very excited to see
The Mongols is a Mongolian team. I mean, kinda makes sense. I saw that's I, not L. Mongols.
Any way you like, put your signature on it.
Intel. They have casino? They like advertising. Insane. That's minus rep. Techno.
Not just that, Falcons were unhooked for. The Mongols coming out in Dust 2 and playing significantly better Counter-Strike than the Falcons, despite them picking the map. Joss, are you surprised by how well played...
Them actually graphics in CSS... Oh, CSS.
I would say I'm a little bit disappointed in the Falcons.
I'm so doomed. Graphics in CS looks so good. Not gonna lie. Like, this lighting is so soft, I really like it. I only wish that there was also, like, FPS, except good graphics. Good FPS, yep. Yep, unfortunately most of the sponsors are casino and gambling websites. Yeah, that's really sad. One of big sponsors right now is a So brand. So, like, literally So brand? Oh, Knorr. Why does I mean, I can understand Intel, right? It's like they have direct relationship with, like, gaming. Soap? Okay. I mean, if it works for them, good for them. I have no clue. Yeah, me neither. They promote doner kebab noodles. I mean, like, pig food, so why not? Damn, I lost the whole chain of thought I had. Faris, what I was thinking about, can you rewind the stream, read through my thoughts? By the way, what do you think about this UI? Huh? Not this one, let's do this one. Huh? No clue, I need more serious. Okay. I see. It's cool, it looks like a calendar more and more. Yeah, like I really... These blobs... Like... Okay, let me show you some code for that. Just so you like... have some close understanding of what is happening here. Like all of that is just to generate background blobs. Right? Like these like month segmentation, right? It's basically generates SVG because there is like I figure out it's probably the simplest way to do it in web. And like I have no idea like anything of that works. I basically just generated it with LLM and it just works, so I just let it there. I'm not sure like this it feels like it looks horrible. Like look at that. Oh, I got stacked consts here. It's like you have to, it's like, you know, this code is worse than code which you like decompile from binary. But at least it works, so it's okay. And bro call me a wife coder, hello X. It's hard, like this shit is hard, not gonna like dates, let's agree, like you should probably agree with me. Dates are hard as fuck. Like every time I work with dates, like every time I have to implement dates myself, there are like so many foot guns, it's like it's mentally unbearable. And then I have like to also generate dynamically SVGs around grids which is built on dates. It's like it's insane difficulty. Please write everything in one line and make it work. No, like by the way, like generally when I ask LLM to like do something for me, most of the time, like I nailed one thing. You always have to ask LLM to do something that you are able to do, right? Because it means you are also able to like, how's it called? Review what they have done, right? So you can see the code, understand if it's good code or not. If you're asking something you do not know how to do, there is no way for you to verify if it's a good code or not. And usually when I ask to do something from LM, it always one-shots the problem. This one, I was doing like for 3 hours this morning. I was like, I probably prompted like 20 times and only after that, with like 3 iterations in one shot, it managed to do that. It was interesting experience. I love dates, they taste good. Dates? Double key? I have no idea what... Oh, I guess I know what is it. Okay. Like I never knew how's it gonna be in English. How's it pronounced? Correctly, in French. What the fuck? I don't need French. No. That? Guess I tapped it in French way. Okay. But it's like, it can't translate. But it translates it as date. Wait, fruit. Date fruit? Wait, it's literally called date? That's an insane name for a fruit. It's so confusing. So it's basically date. Wow. You got the job? No, I didn't, bro. I did not. Feels weird, man. You should. Guess I tapped in French, right? It's only with one T in English, yeah, I see. So it's basically a date. I also like don't like this 2025, but like it's okay. I wanted to move. Like there is gonna be a separation line between years, and it's gonna be like vertically written. Then put 2012. Damn, you're hilarious. That's not the problem. Whatever year you like. 2077. 1337. It's better say 1337, right? I prefer 1337. I was first. We got the same. No, I was first. It's my year. Came up with your year. Bruh. I was fastest. No, you was not. Like you can see, you can like rewind the stream and see that before you like I said and then you appeared in the chat. I tapped it before you said it. Can you prove that? No proof, no like, no evidence, no nothing. Okay, I'm just kidding. I'm generous. Like we can like divide this here, right? Not divide like in literal sense, but like it's gonna be the year for both of us. No share, won't win. I take everything. brother. Nah, it's not work that way. Like I came to the like compromise and you saying you're not gonna take it? Just like Vitality in CS. Party By the way, how do I add emojis to my what's called 7TV? Like I want to add XDD. I don't have XDD. How do I do that? First, do you know? XDD 7TV. Like I want this one. It's like it's so cool. Download. Sign in. Probably that's what I should do, but not now, I guess. Okay. Yeah, let's wipe code, actually. Let's add what I have just done. Git add all. Git commit m habit card fix remove vertical scroll. Ace there. This one is better. It's so bad. Man, it's like terrifying. It looks so terrifying. Yeah, let's copy everything. By the way, I'm so glad I made this project. First. Now it's like project advertising time. GitHub.com, Exim, DRMD. Like I'm using it literally every day. It's like pretty simple. It's like it takes the project and formats it into Markdown, and like I have this command which like basically takes everything current project with ignore file and just pass it into the clipboard, right? In the clipboard, and then you can basically just go into chat and paste everything. Ain't that cool? I personally feel like that's so cool. Not gonna lie. Let's make it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good. I want to add possibility. How do I say it? So the plan is I want like right now. Every day, every log is like a boolean. It's either true or false. And I want to make it an integer, like in GitHub commit table, right? So it's like you can have a scale. But I want also it to be interchangeable, so you can at every moment swap between them. want to make it so each log they log inhabit is an integer instead of a bool, while allowing user to choose how they want. That is so hard, like it's always so hard to put the problem in the least words possible, like to make it concise and clear. It's like such an impossible challenge. My cat has huge eyes like that. I mean, they have like wide eyes. It's like not huge eyes. It's not the problem. It's not that they're huge. Game started. Bye bye. Okay. See ya. Have a nice watch. How do I say? Like not watch. Probably have a nice time. This is the best I can do. While allowing user to choose if they want between. So allowing user to choose between login habit as bools or integers. The idea is to always add flag which will tell if user habit is represented in booleans, which will basically make it that value 0 is false and anything bigger is true. Could you please implement that? I guess it's sufficient. I should have no idea why, when I click it, first frame, it like blinks in a bright white and then goes to like semi-transparent white. It was like not, I made it not intentionally, right? But it looks pretty good that way. I also feel, I mean, at least this morning when I was like writing everything, my current project is already like 55 K tokens, and I feel the more I write it, the more Gemini struggles to one-shot the answer, right? At the very beginning it was really easy, and now I have like to tweak the prompt, to like tweak the data I'm passing in to like get the working result. Okay. You're changing backend. I also feel like my current files are way too big, right? So Gemini basically gives me the whole files because it struggles to make divs. It just have no idea which line is which. And splitting files, like splitting code in several files, makes sense because that means they will have less code to output for me, which also should decrease like mental load and which should generate better code. The hell is that? Oh, it's state. Damn, it's so ridiculous. It's so huge. It's also like the major pain point, right? Okay, actually, why am I waiting? Wait a minute. Why am I waiting? Right? I can start pasting everything. Why are you doing that to me? Oh, I know why I'm waiting. Actually, I know. I wanted. Okay, it actually doesn't matter. I want to ask them to merge new migrations into like init migration. But let's. Where it was? Let's just paste everything except migrations. Models? Oh. Fuck. This UI just kills my PC. Okay, let's just wait then. Wow, it's so bad. That's actually really bad. Okay. Let's ask it. Could you please merge migration? Edit init migration? Instead of creating new file for that. That's so hilarious. Why company as Google can't make like working UI? I mean, I understand that UI is hard, right? But like, how the fuck is it possible that my tab takes 1 GB of memory and my PC just dies? It just dies. It just can't do anything except loading this tab. It's like ridiculous. Google fix, please. GitHub takes 200 megabytes. This one is 1 GB. Wait, what the hell are they doing? That's not what I asked. Stop. That's enough. Okay, in it. So what are we doing here? Is boolean, boolean, okay. And integer here. Okay, pretty good. Down is probably pretty much the same. Yep. Models. Okay, let's go back now. Let's copy models. It's here. Paste. Is boolean value? Okay, so it's habit log value int. Is boolean bool? Wait, but okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. Postgres. Okay, what change here? Okay, space G O. Okay, so we just add is boolean. Habit is boolean. Yeah, okay, pretty good. Is boolean. Yep. Value instead of status, yeah. Value is boolean. Yeah. Pretty good. I like it. Let's move on. Handlers. Wait, is it like just space here? Oh yeah, it's just space. It's boolean. A known field is boolean in struct literal of type service create habit params. Oh, because I have not changed service, it's okay. Value instead of status, okay. Value, yep, pretty good. Service. What the hell is that music? Can I get something? I don't know. More hard. I got this boolean here, It's pretty much the same. Types. Okay, front end? I don't know. Modifying front end feels so horrible. Like, it's so huge, it's so unstructured. But also, I just I just don't feel like rewriting it, right? Like, I have this enormously sized state. And like the best thing, the thing I should do is just divide it into several substates. But it also means I'll have to like thoroughly go through each piece of code and decouple it, and it's just I tried to do it with Gemini this morning, but it just struggles as well. It's just like it like misses everything. I don't trust them to do that, right? I should do it myself, but maybe like I guess. Wait, what have I done? I guess the most likely thing that's gonna happen, I'll just cope with it and continue living with it, you know? Paste. Nice. We got state. Actually, why don't I check? My bad. What am I... It's boolean. Yeah, pretty good. The habit is boolean. Habit is declared but never used. Remove it. Handle is boolean input. The habit is boolean. Yep. Back habit, yeah. Lock habit affix. Absurd habit. Okay. Toggle habit. Okay, I see. Pretty good. Habit card. Enter value for... Okay, this enter valid, not negative number. Okay, let's just see actually how it looks. I guess it's gonna be the best way to check it. Because, like, front end is not that crucial. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, right? I feel responsible for checking every backend line of code, but front end, like, who cares? Right? If it breaks, it breaks. Right. Oh yeah. Yeah. Clear exit rm/rf uploads db nix develop clear make migrate up make dev, just like that. Damn, this workflow is so good. Look out. Sign up. Login. Habit. Simple, yes, no, habit. Right, habit tracker. $350. Edit. I can modify it later? That sucks. Complex code habit tracker in minutes. Wait. Edit. Wait. How do I look? Oh. Okay, that's kind of interesting. I mean, it works, but... Let's edit. Oh, I want to ask you to update test. Hopefully should not take that one. Okay, let's think about how can I make it, how should I, like, which design decision is gonna be the most comfortable to lock habits. Alright, so user have to input a number. So I guess, like, the simplest idea is to replace this checkbox with input. So user will enter some number there. Maybe I'll leave the same checkbox, right? I'll leave the same checkbox, but pressing which will trigger the same menu I was just like having. User will type the number, and then this checkbox will have like the amount of segments of this value. Like if this circular is like whole, there are gonna be like 3 segments, 4 segments or whatever. Test habit integer. Okay. Then that's all I've got. Is boolean, is boolean. Okay. Make test. Have I saved them? Yeah, I did. I have. Two. 1337 completed. Okay, what was actually the problem? Can you tell me? You spotted the error correctly. The test failure is due to faulty mock expectation. Here is a test get profile data visitor test. In the you're simulating a scenario where the user has no habits. Yep. You get all habits with logs. Service functions correctly optimized to not query for logs if there is no habits to begin with. However, the test expectation that get logs for habits will be called, which it isn't. Okay. Okay, makes sense. Nice. Git add commit. Oh, git add all, right? Git commit m habits. Add numerical. Add choice between numerical and boolean habit logs. Yeah, I guess like that. I guess it's enough today. I mean, I have done a lot of out of stream, so I'm pretty satisfied with today's work. It's like, I love how closer and closer it feels to like final product. To full working product.